Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Geekirti Vyas, and for today's video, I am gonna tell you that one agenda of the video is how my life has become after joining the Big Fours. And to be specific, I am in PwC. In my previous videos, you have already seen that how I got into PwC AC after clearing my examination in not the first attempt. Okay, first thing, how is my experience? How am I liking it? It's nice. I am liking it. I'm liking it very much. Um, do you know? Do you wanted to get into this field from the beginning? No, I did not have any idea what field I'm gonna work in. Um, so why did you get into this job? The second question arises because I cleared my examination and I was so worried that what job would I take? I need to go into Big Fours and this is the opportunity. Let's just take it. Yes, that's exactly what happened with me. If you are in the same situation that you have cleared your exams, C exam, and you want to get into Big Fours, try for your best. Look for the profile you want. Don't make such a haste. Let me tell you one thing. In my company, they hire so many CAs every year for so many departments, and this is for the people who thinks that for the CAs are only for assurance and audit and stat audit. It's not. See, when you become a chartered accountant, you become a new person as a whole. It's not that you just only become an accountant or audit professional or tax professional, but that's not correct. The company sees you like an asset. If they have cleared the chartered accountant exam, they can perform well in a lot of areas. They just think that we are a valuable asset. This is the thing. First thing, this is. Second thing is, the more you want the company is not the true. You want the company. You are getting desperate. It's not the entirely the case. The company wants you more because they are looking for qualified professionals. So don't worry. Just look for good opportunities somewhere and decide for yourself that you if you want to join the company, what is the outcome of this if you do this. See, as a former uh, chartered accountant cleared before, like I cleared the exam and I didn't join the company, that period was crucial for me. Like I have worked 6 years of my life in this, um, what do you say? See, this course. But that 1 month, I felt like, oh my God, would I be able to get a job or would I be able to succeed now? Would I be able to earn? See, there are a lot of ways to earn. And now you are already in CA community, you will get a job. Don't worry. Decide for yourself, firstly. Then approach the LinkedIn, the former CA clearer and who have joined the companies. Just connect with them and give them what field do you want. That would help. As for me, it's now hard that I cannot switch the company. Like when you settle in one company, it's like you don't want to switch. It's like good. You're getting good balance, everything. So for this short video, I'm just gonna convey you this message that think of your future as of now. It's not like you many like this is a saying in our community that डिग्री कभी आपको खाली नहीं छोड़ती है. It will make you earn. Okay. आज अगर आप बिग फोर्स में नहीं लग पाए, you will get somewhere else. So don't worry about that. If you want another part of this video, comment down and I'll post another video. Bye. You can like, share, subscribe.